Okay, now starting with the question. It says that the table shows present rates and the proposed rates for electricity for residential customers, for which of the monthly kilowatt hours shown would the proposed rates be greatest percentage increase over the present rate. So that means there are the kilowatts here. If you understand, 500 kilowatt, 1000 kilowatt, 1500 and 2000, and there is a present value that is $24, and it proposed as 26. Similarly, for $1,000, 1000 kilowatt, it is $41. It got increased to the proposed is 45. So the question is greatest percentage increase. So if we have to find out the percentage increase, what is the formula? If we understand it carefully, it will be increase over original value or initial value, original multiplied by 100%. That will be the percentage increase, right? So how much is the percentage increase? Let's start solving. How much is the percentage increase for 500 kilowatts? Can we say the increase was from 24 to 26? There is an increase of $2 for this particular kilowatt. 2 upon original. How much is original? That is 24. It was initially 24. That's the percentage increase for the 500 kilowatt hour. Similarly, for 1000, what will be the increase? That is $4 divided by $41. That is the percentage increase. Third, 1500 increase is in this particular column. The increase is of $5 divided by 57, right? That's the increase. And the last is for 2000 kilowatt hours, the increase came out to be 6 divided by 73. Now we need to calculate, and we have to calculate within 2 minutes, right? That's the understanding. Like, now let's understand how can this be calculated in a faster way as compared to doing the manual calculations. Let's now compare these two fractions. Okay, let's compare these two fractions. So if 2 divided by 24 has to be compared with 4 divided by 41. An easier approach is just cross multiply. Okay, the cross multiply. So it will be 2 times 41. 41 goes on the left hand side, and whatever the inequality is, it is actually both the quantities are positive, so the inequality will not change. 24 will go to the right hand side. So 4 times 24. So what is this? That is 82, and this is going to be 96. Right. So that means we got that second set, right? This one, the second ratio is greater. That means first option we have eliminated. Out of these two, the greater percentage increase is of option 1000 kilowatt hours. That means A option can be eliminated easily. Now let's compare 1000 with 1500 data, right? Same way, let's understand and calculate it. So 4 times 57. 4 times 57, let's write here, 4 times 57 is to be compared with 5 times 41, right? Just cross multiplying, it will not change the inequality what is there. So that is 428, 35, 37 here. Here 5 and this is 20, so option this is greater. That means second ratio, that is for 1000, this is greater as compared to 1500. The left hand side ratio comes out to be less. Option C also gets eliminated. Now we have to compare 1000 reading with a 2000 kilowatt hour reading. Let's write, right, which is 4 upon 41 is to be compared with 6 upon 73. So cross multiplying, so it will be 4 times 73 is to be compared with 6 times 41. Now 4, 12, 28, 29, and this is 6, and this is 24. So which out of them is greater? 292 greater. That means the 1000 reading is still greater than 2000. That's our answer. Option B being the correct one here. That's the each percentage. Option E can't be the correct. 2000 also eliminated, E being the correct. So try seeing the question, right? It was quite a calculative intensive. We have reduced the calculation a lot. So whenever there are the positive quantities that have to be compared, use this approach. It helps you a lot as compared to doing the manual calculations. I hope the point is quite clear. Let's now try solving the next question.